neck, my back, my back, my neck, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So buttery brown.
Let's get some products and do my hair. So it's time to do my hair. I don't know what she talking about. She said something about worms. Stop it. Stop it. Why does she play so much? It's time to do my hair. Yes, this is the hair that was brought. I'm just showing you, so if you like it, screenshot. Oh, this right here is showing you that I'm not using separate colors. I'm combining the colors to make the braids. I look like this because I am very, very tender-headed. Yes, it hurts, even at my age. And yes, my fur baby, his eyes are dirty. And while I'm getting my hair done, I'm cleaning his eyes. Okay, so I am not a professional. Let's keep that in mind, you guys. I am not a professional. I just be trying to save a coin because the prices be pricing. And don't get me wrong, the stylists be doing their thing because they be done quicker than what I'm doing. But I'm just showing you. I be on the school of YouTube. Well, as you can see, I did not finish my head. I'm just getting up. I'm about to attempt to finish, but I'm going to finish it today, okay? I have all the hair separated in little pieces, okay? So I'm doing 5 pieces per braid plait, whatever you want to call it. But one thing about me, for sure, I'm going to attempt to try to do this stuff at home. If I can save $1 or $2. If I can save $1 or $2. So, I'm not that good with parting either. Let me just be clear. I'm not that good with parting. Because as you can see, look at it. Look at that. But guess what? It's my head. And this is what I'm using. I don't know if y'all can see that. But that's what I'm using. Caleb. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first, just so y'all can see what I do. Girl, this is real time too. This is real time. When they be on here, because like I said, I graduated from YouTube University. I got my master's in YouTube University. So here we go. So I go 1, and then I go 2. Take my little piece. Kind of do something like this. I don't know what this is, but and then I grip it. And another little piece. Now, like I said, if you want to do something at home to save a coin, attempt this hairstyle. But just be mindful. It's not something that's gonna be done quick. Let's start over. Okay, start over. Ooh, did I hear that shot? Third piece. Y'all probably can't see what I'm doing. gonna add my 5th piece until I get to the end. I'll show you. Oh, see? Doing your hair. Woo, child. My arm was tired up there. Ooh. Brush that out. So this is me trying to speed. This is me speeding. But I just want to show y'all in real time how I mess up, how I gotta start over. The lesson for today is to never give up. Keep going, no matter what. No matter what. Just keep going. About right here is where, yeah. This is my last piece. I'm gonna add it in here to give it a little bit more length. This was my first time even attempting to do somebody's, I guess you call it feeding. Jesus, I said, Crystal, what was you thinking? Okay. Alright. I know this probably about 10. Now imagine, I don't know how long this is, but just imagine this is only one. And however long it's taking me to do this one, I still have all of this to do up here. All of this to do. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. But I'm still braiding. Oh, I was probably look crazy. I felt myself hook my tongue out just now, like, oh, focus. But I'm trying to go fast. I'm like, Crystal, go fast, braid fast. Act like you're up to $99. How fast you got? Girl, I lost that because the real braiders honey would have ate me up. Still going. Still braiding. I'm almost there, you guys. I'm almost at the end. La, 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 la. Woo! So this is the braid. Comes here. And then still going. Giving them. So that's what it looks like. Like I said, I am not a professional, okay? I'm just big on saving $1. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. And like I said, I did all these back in. All right, this is the finished product, all done. I'm about to chill out in the rain and enjoy this peaceful weather. Later, you guys.